Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to pause auto media download in Telegram. First, launch the Telegram app on your device. Then, click on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. From the menu, go to Settings. Then, find and select Data and Storage. Under Data and Storage, locate the section for Automatic Media Download. You will see three options. The first option controls media download while using mobile data. The second option controls media download while connected to Wi-Fi. The third option controls media download while on roaming. Toggle off the options according to your preference. Turning off the first option will prevent media download on mobile data. Turning off the second option will prevent media download on Wi-Fi. Turning off the third option will prevent media download while roaming. Once you have configured the options to your liking, exit the settings menu. Your settings are now saved, and media downloads will be paused according to option you selected. By following these steps, you can pause automatic media downloads in Telegram to manage your data usage more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, thanks for watching.